Hello everyone, this is the Super Wig Maker, and I wanted to make a small update about something that I had to go through. When I ordered fine thickness hair from my factory, I said that it's about time that I take bleach blonde hair in fine thickness, and I told her that I want some short sample so she could sell me this only. I think this is 12 inches or something, or 10, I don't remember. And this is number 16, this is number 613, and I was amazed. The difference is very subtle. It all looks that this is a little bit more yellow, this is a little bit more toned, but I couldn't care less. This hair is amazing. Look at that. And it looks like real blonde hair, in my opinion, as close to that as possible, because the strands are very fine. They're not Slavic, but they are very fine. And they're silky, they still have their shine. And that's the problem with bleach blonde hair, that they're always dull. So long story made short, I decided to order 20 inches and 24 inches so as to have a medium length and a longer length, and this is what I got. Now you might not understand what I'm about to say, but first of all, this is not a bleach blonde. This is almost like 27. And it's also not fine hair. That is medium thickness hair. I can see the strand. Look at that. Look how thick they are. Nope. And the biggest problem was in the ends. The ends are actually darker than the top, and it's not like that. I actually double bleached and toned this. I think one of them is a little bit more prominent. Yeah, look at that. Look, I don't know if you can pick the difference. You usually can pick the difference. But that is not a bleach blonde. That's not a bleach blonde. This is even darker. Let me just show you a photo of how that looked. Where is it? Problems? Yes. Yep. There it is. Look at that. Look at this is how it used to be. That's extremely bad. And this is the 20 inches. The ends are thick enough, not the thickest, but this is 5A hair, so the ends are that thickness. I'm gonna have to make a video about what the 5A, the 8A, the 10A means, because a lot of people misjudge and misthink that this is a quality type. No, it's actually the thickness of the ends. So I told her, look at that, look how dark this hair is. Oh, why am I not showing you this? That's bleach blonde. This is number 60. This is number 613. Forget the 60. They no longer make that. They said they can no longer make the number 60, but look at that. Come on, that's orange. All right. And it's not even fine hair. It's not bleach blonde. So I'm going to send it back. And the 24 inches worth of hair, the only good thing about this hair is that I actually did a double bleach process. This was even darker, and I managed to lighten it just a little bit. And the hair, I didn't lose a single strand. Not a single strand was lost. This hair is amazing. It would have lasted a long time, but it's not the right color. Yeah, some pieces might look a little bit blonder, but nope, that's not good. And let me just bring you the 24 inches to see something. Now the 24 inches, I have to say that the top is a little lighter. Let me just make the judgment. Still not light as that, but it is a beautiful blonde if you're asking me. Still not a bleach blonde, of course, but who cares? The color is good. The ends are still, wait a moment. The ends are still darker than the top. Look at that. This is much more orange than that. And the worst thing of all is the ends. And I don't know why she did it like that. This is the fine thickness hair factory, people. These people have never failed me so far. Let me just show you. That is not 5A hair, alright? And I purposely left 1 inch out. Actually, this is 2 inches, because they always put 1 inch extra as a tail. I told them not to cut that, but that is not 5A hair. To call this 5A hair, I would probably have to cut it right over here, or even shorter, to make it appear as if it's 5A hair on the ends. And that's hair. Look at that. My fine thickness virgin hair is always on spot. I just sold 2 pieces of 24 inches, but before that I actually washed it and then just blow dried it. The hair is amazing. The ends are thick. This is not 5A hair, so I'm really done with this specific blonde hair of my factory. I don't know why they failed me so miserably. It's not that hair actually does look a little bit like thin hair, more like the other one, but I don't know. So I'm gonna send this back, and I'm gonna get myself something else, and I'm gonna continue trying to search for bleach blonde hair that works. I think I have something else in my mind. Look how thin that is. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Ask me anything you want. Well, ask me anything you want, but I cannot guarantee that I'm gonna be able to reply to you as soon as possible. I am so sorry. But anyway, that is. Thanks for watching.